Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to africachoice.com. Live on this training, I'm going to cover how to unzip zipped files. The steps are simple, very simple. You just have to pay attention, okay? Step 1 is to first of all download the files. Step 2 is to move the file to a specific folder. Step 3 is to do what? Extract, unzip the folder. Then step 4 is to have access to the file. You can run it depending on the file format. So let's go to our email address. This is the email where I have received the download file. So the download link, all I need to do is to follow the email. This is the link, you understand? Give it a click. Whether you're using your mobile phone or you're using your desktop, the steps are the same, okay? So I will still make a video on how you can go about it on mobile. So as you can see, this file is what? Zipped. The file is what? Zipped. Okay, so you can easily download this. If you check this, as you can see, your download option is here. Okay, you can download it as a standard download. You can download it as zipped file. Okay, whether you download it as standard, is still zipped because the file is already zipped. So what I will do is to download it as a zipped file. I will take this option, just give it a click. You're good to go. Okay, as you can see, it's downloading. Okay, depending on the size of the file, it might take some minutes to fully download. So you have to allow the file to do what? Fully download into your computer system, depending on your download location. Okay, my download location by default is on my computer archive called download. So what you should do is for you to quickly go to your download location and check for the file. Okay, so depending on the browser you're using, you can also use here. As you can see, this is the file. You can click here to open the file. Okay, as you can see, the file is here already. So the next step is for you to do what? To move the file to a specific folder. You have to move the file to a specific folder. Okay, so a folder that you can easily remember. Each time you want to make use of the file, you can easily remember, yes, I saved this file on this folder. Okay, so that is the next step. So let's go there. Here we are. This is the folder. As you can see, this is how it's appearing. Live at africachoice.com. This is the thread. Let's give it a click. Okay, sometimes the file might appear like this. Sometimes it might appear this way. It's okay, there's nothing bad about that. So back here we have copied the file, Ctrl+C, or you right click, okay, and copy. Okay, or you can also right click and do what? Cut. You can cut the file, or you can easily create a folder live here, name it whatever you want to call. Let's say lead 70 2024 is the file name, is the folder name. You can easily move this, okay, by dragging. You can move it to this folder. Now it's on a specific folder. Okay, so let's still cut it. You can cut it because download is not the best location to save your files. You can go to what? Document. Okay, live on document. You can create any folder. Okay, let's just say a new folder name is 2024 mid June leads. Okay, so this is the new folder name. Okay. So we have successfully moved the download file to a specific folder. For repetition's sake, the steps is simple. Download the file, okay, then move the file to a specific folder, then unzip, extract the folder, okay, then you have access to the folder. So here we are, this is the folder we have created and moved, okay. So to extract it, to unzip it is simple. Just give it a click, then right click on your computer. You can use the option to open with WinRAR. You can have the option if you have WinRAR installed in your system. If you don't have WinRAR, no problem, okay. And if you don't have WinRAR installed in your system, it will be appearing like this. So whether it appears like this on your computer system or it appears like this on your computer system is okay. It appears like this on my computer system because I have WinRAR installed on my system, okay. So back again here, so you just have to highlight it, then right click. You can open with WinRAR, you can extract files, you can extract here, okay. You can use any of this option, okay, but I prefer using this option, extract here. Just give it a click. As you can see, it's going, it has been extracted. You can now click it. As you can see, this is the file, okay. This file format is Microsoft Excel worksheet. So that is to say, you must have Microsoft Excel application installed in your computer system before you can do what? Proceed and access it, okay. So if you don't have Microsoft Excel, you can of course go to any software vendor in your location and get Microsoft Excel installed into your computer system, okay. Any of the version can go. So here is it. Just double click it to do what? To open it. That is how simple it is. For repetition's sake, you have to first of all, step 1 is to download the file. Step 2 is to move the file to a specific folder. Step 3 is to unzip and extract the folder. Step 4 is to do what? Access the file. Now let's cover how to do what? Unzip a folder with your mobile phone, okay. So but before then, let's check out the file. This is it, okay. Sometimes the cells might jam packed. You just need to expand them. Are you getting it? Just go here to expand them so you can at least read the file, okay, informations on the file, etc. So I believe most of you got the point. Yes, most of you got the point. So back again, let's come here, let's scroll up. How to unzip zipped files live on your mobile phone is simple, okay. So step 1, the same step on your mobile phone is to download the file, okay. Then you need to locate the file where it is. Of course, the file will come as unzipped file, okay. So all you need to do is to visit your Play Store and download any of the unzipped application on your Play Store, okay. Download it. So with this application, you can easily extract the unzipped file. Are you getting it? Unzip folder. Are you getting it? And have access to the open file. You can run it. If the file is Microsoft Excel, of course, still at the App Store, you can download any of the Office application, okay. Or you can just type Excel workbook or Excel sheets, whatever, any keyword you use will give you access to a host of Microsoft Excel applications on mobile. You can use to run, you can use to do what? Open Excel or CSV files live on your mobile phone. If you still find it difficult after watching this video, please kindly save the number. Kindly save the number, my personal number, and WhatsApp me, okay? So we can attend to you, okay? I remember my humble self on Waxing, live from NLSoft, owners of NileLand.com, and publisher africachoice.com. okay? This trade guide is also well covered live at africachoice.com. You can go to africachoice.com, use this keyword, enter the search and search for it, okay? Here you can read the step-by-step guide. You can also watch this video, okay? Thanks and bye for now.